What's up guys, Jimmo here. Today we've got this blue VW and you can see we've got a body repair here with some primer and we've got a blend panel on the door. We're going to clear this entire sail panel, and a few things I don't like is that we've got this handle in. Anytime we can take that trim off. That's what I'd like to see, but it isn't the first time, it won't be the last, but we got to get spraying here, so let's go. Okay, so we've got two coats on here now. This color is a little transparent, so normally it's going to cover in two. Just run the tack rag off this guy real quick, and our blend, it's looking okay. I can still see it. These blues, they're kind of like a light silver. They'll halo easy and become visible because of how the metallics lay there. We've got they'll reflect differently in the dry spot there, and they call that a halo. I can see it a little bit, so I'm just going to apply a wet bed to my blend panel and then apply my final blend coat of base, and that's going to make everything land wet and tie in beautifully. So I'll show you what that looks like right here. Alright, get in there. Using our Sagola 4600s for both. Scrambler for color, the regular one as our blender. blend's looking real good now, so we're just gonna put on an effect coat here to even things out, and then we're ready for clear. Just one last thing, we'll just check for coverage real quick with this light, make sure everything looks good. Make sure we don't see any primer spots through, since it was a transparent color. It can happen pretty easily. Okay, looks good. Okay, so we're ready for clear. We're going to be using the Sagola 4600 Extreme with the 3M PPS 2.0 on the top. I actually lost this gun for quite some time. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I've got a lot of guns and I loan them out from time to time. So I just found it. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it sprays as well as I remember it. I remember it being light detected clear. Anyway, let's go. Okay, first coat looks pretty good. Again, that handle, I hate seeing that door handle left in, the bumper on, but what are you gonna do? Okay, here we go, coat number 2.